Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? So, right off the bat here, they have a good one, maybe. You can buy anything you want, but you have to pay for how much it already cost. Sure. 57% people have pressed the button, while 43% did not. Okay, you can be changed to look exactly how you wish. You choose your genetics, hair, body, face, shape, etc. But you will forget all of your memories, not knowing where your house is or who your family is, etc. Nope. My memories are too valuable, and people already say I'm sort of the genetic lottery. So, 42% of people have pressed this button, while 58% did not. You're all vain. Vain. You will have all the pie in existence, but no pizza. I will not. 39% press the button, while 61% did not. Yeah. Pie, depending on what kind of pie, like if it's blueberry or fruit or apple pie, there's an awful lot of sugar. There's an awful lot of diabetes in there. But if it's something like shepherd's pie or meat pie or basically those two, then or pot pie, it's okay. But no pizza, no freaking way. I love my pizza too much. I don't know anyone alive who doesn't like pizza. Famine, affluence, and morality will be solved worldwide, but your country will perish. I will not. this is split even, but here's my take. There's too many people on Earth already. We need things like famine and affluence and morality to keep it on a level playing field. But if your country perished, it fucks up the whole global economy because the trade and stuff, people need to trade. It's what keeps the global economy going. You get every video game you could ever want, but you gain 200 pounds upon obtaining them. Note that weight can be lost. So, yeah. Again, people seem to be obsessed with their image because 54% of people did not press the button. But losing weight when you establish an algorithm or a plan, losing weight is so easy. And yeah, well, anyway. Lifespan doubled with at least 60 years of youthful vigor, but you will step on a Lego brick at random intervals at least 4 times a day. Now, people need to die. That's what keeps the world turning. And unless they die of a massive heart attack at 61, but for fuck's sakes, stepping on a random Lego brick is funny, don't get me wrong, but that would get so friggin' annoying, so I will not. 65% of people have pressed this button. What are the comments? What choose? Good point. You know, if you think about it, that wouldn't be that bad. The bottoms of your feet would start to get stronger, so you'd have to think the Legos would stop hurting after about a year and a half or so. Plus, there was nothing there was nothing there that said we were barefoot when we stepped on Legos. No, I'm sorry, Zach Fair. Not barefoot, human foot. Okay? Human foot. People always make that mistake and it pisses me off. Okay, I'm going next. This question is not very well thought out in my opinion. You get $1, but 10 hairs will grow on a random place on your body. No. You can have sex with anyone you want 5 days a month for the rest of your life. You may never masturbate again. No. Of course, people are horny bastards, so the majority said they would do it, but get this, only 5 days out of every month could you have sex. By the way, I've had both, and I think, you have to wait men have to wait to recharge for longer periods after they have sex. And sex, let's say, is 10 on a pleasure scale, and masturbate is a 5 on a pleasure scale. And like in the duration it takes for you to recharge from sex with another, in the time it takes, you could like masturbate 3 times and that's 15. And so that's more pleasure. So, I'm sorry that's uncomfortable for some people to hear, but you will become the biggest badass in the world, but you will change gender. No? I much prefer being a man, and I don't really care about being a badass. Have any job you want with working knowledge on the whole field, so long as you hold the job. But total income caps at $100,000 annually, 13-hour days that start at 7 a.m. You cannot live within 10 kilometers of the company. Tardiness results in termination. Well, I would press the button. People are lazy because it says 57% did not press the button. I'm doing a couple more. The partner of your dreams falls in love with you and you live a perfect life anywhere you choose. But he or she will die a slow, excruciatingly painful death after 10 years. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this question after I answer it. I will. 60% didn't want the partner to die a slow, excruciatingly painful death after 10 years. Okay. Let me drop some knowledge. All death is equal. There's no such thing as a painful death. You see, pain requires memory. So you need to be alive after to say, yeah, that hurt, but you're not. You're at peace. So all death is equal. And hey, the partner of your dreams. So, yeah. They are in the world, but you can never be with them. Fuck that. Yeah. High five, people. 70% are with me. Even the comment down here says, this button does not make sense. Or, since this button does not make speaking in Yoda like Yoda. You can control your dreams and fall asleep anytime you want, but you have to sleep with another person of your gender 5 times. 5 times what? Annually, weekly, monthly, daily? And first of all, I will not. Now let me explain my opinion. Oh, fucking itchy nose. Okay. Being able to control your dreams. Then what's the point of dreams? The point of dreams is that they're random entertainment. Like going to a random movie in your sleep is wonderful. And I already fall asleep pretty much anytime I want. So, although I have nothing against sleeping with another person of your gender 5 times, it doesn't say sex, so it's fine, but I wouldn't. You can buy anything for free, but it takes 3 months for it to be delivered. Okay, I wouldn't do this, but if breaking down the question here, you can buy anything for free. If it's free, you don't buy it. Aha! You don't buy it. And waiting 3 months every time you bought something, no thank you. People don't think this thing through buying for something, buying something implies that you pay money for it, but it says for free, so you don't buy it. So, okay, this is fun. You'd have as much money as you could ever want. Ow! Fuck! Okay. You can have as much money as you could ever want, but it's illegal and you'd have to find a way to launder it. I'm happy with the small amount of money I have now. People are freaking greedy, dude. 57% of people have pressed the button. Fit, beautiful women would be attracted to you, but you will slowly but constantly continue to gain weight until you are extremely obese. Okay. It doesn't say that you can't lose the weight after. And if you slowly become obese, it means you're overeating delicious food. And I gotta say, that sounds like a win-win. So, yeah, I will press the button. Really? 31% of people press the button. I guess people are so concerned about their image. I don't know why I just did that, but okay, last question of the day. You can play video games all day, but you'll fall down all these stairs. All what stairs? Like, if they're, like, you didn't say whether they're, like, a couple millimeters tall, but then playing video games all day would hurt your eyes after a while, so I would not, people love video games, I see. 54% of people press the button. while 46 did not. Okay. Okay, well, that was this episode of Will You Press the Button? Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 5 days a week, except for weekends. I get weekends off. Some days I will do commentary videos, commentaries on issues we'll face in society and my viewpoint on them. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. And as always, hit like if you like it. Goodbye.